So I didn't really plan this. This wasn't really some like big strategy I had from the start. It actually started as a bit of a side thing, something that I was doing for fun. I made a Warhammer channel. No big expectations, no pressure, just posting consistently every day or few days. And over the last year, it's grown to over 8,000 subscribers. Now, I know that's not massive, but it is enough to prove something because I wasn't doing anything crazy, no crazy editing, huge production, just pretty simple videos, but done properly in a direct and easy to establish niche. And honestly, I think it's taught me more about YouTube than anything else I've done. The weird part is this channel actually grew faster than I expected. Not overnight, but steadily and consistently. And that's what made it interesting because it wasn't luck, it was just a repeatable process. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I did. Not theory, not guru advice, just something that actually worked. So the first thing that I did was I posted a lot. Not perfectly, not always on a strict schedule, but consistent enough that there was always something going out. Sometimes every day, sometimes every couple of days. I really like Warhammer personally, so this felt more like a bit of a passion project really. Didn't really feel like work, so I was just writing scripts about topics I liked. I read a lot of Warhammer books, so I just felt like I was really passionate about this. And I was just writing scripts, 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'd put some visuals over them, record them very similar to this. I'll show you some examples on screen and the link will be in the description so you can check it out yourself. And that was it. It wasn't anything crazy or fancy. I think this is where a lot of people do get stuck though, because they want every video to be perfect, and I didn't. I just focused on, is this good enough? And then I'd move on to the next one. You don't need to get bogged down on every video, you need to keep going with the process. And I think this worked well because YouTube is, as I've said before, a game of reps. The more videos you make, the faster you learn, and the faster you learn, the faster you will improve. Iterations, keep on going. And I could actually see it happening in real time. Early videos, they were a bit rough, a bit slow, my pacing was a bit crap. Later on, cleaner, sharper, more focused, better hooks, better thumbnails, better titles, and just better content in general. And that only happened because I was posting a lot, so I was iterating quite fast. The second thing that I think made the channel grow really fast is because the topics were clear and the niche was clear. Warhammer 40k lore channel, you know exactly what you're getting straight away on every video. And then the topic would be defined in that niche. Every video had a very obvious, clear idea. Not vague or broad, just very specific. Things like the Emperor of Mankind's true power, or what happened in X Warhammer event, and then do a timeline breakdown, or maybe like breaking news in the lore. Like for example, recently a Primarch called Perturabo returned and it was a big deal. So I did a few videos on that and they did really well because it's breaking news in the niche and it just works. And the key thing here is you knew exactly what you were getting before you clicked. There was no confusion and no guesswork. People in this niche knew about the topic and they clicked it because they saw a video about the topic, very specific. And this made hooks for me way easier because I didn't have to force any interest. The topic itself was there. The interest was there. All I had to do was lead people into the topic. So the hook could have just been, this is what actually happened, or most people got this wrong, but here's the real story. Simple and clear. You've got a bit of mystery there, but you're also hooking people into an obvious and clear topic. The third thing, and this is where things get more interesting for me, the niche, it's just very clear. Like I just said, there's no mixing content, no jumping between topics. It was Warhammer and that's it. Warhammer, lore, on specific topics. Every video is a specific topic and it's just really easy to market because it's just Warhammer. Everyone knows what it is as soon as they click it. And this is something I think people really underestimate in general with channels, because when your niche is really clear, the algorithm knows exactly the kind of people who want to see those videos. And more importantly, viewers will know what to expect when they watch them. So when someone watches your video, there's a high chance they'll watch another. And as we know, session time builds your channel faster than anything now in 2026. And I didn't realize this at first, but looking back, this is probably one of the biggest reasons that it worked. Because I wasn't confusing the system or the audience, everything pointed in the same direction, the niche was locked in. The fourth thing which I realized as I was kind of analyzing the channel was the videos got to the point really quickly. There wasn't any long intros, no unnecessary waffle, there wasn't like 2 minutes of ads at the start of every video. It was just, this is the topic, here's the explanation, with some micro hooks throughout to keep people engaged. And I think this is where a lot of people lose their viewers. They spend too long setting things up, talking around the point. Their hooks are just too vague or just waffle. But on this channel, I didn't do that. And I think it made a huge difference. I think the reason that this worked so well when I looked at it was because the viewers get what they came for straight away. They click the packaging and they get what they were promised straight away. And when that happens, people stay on your videos a lot more. And obviously when they stay, YouTube will push your videos even more. The fifth thing, and this was the most important thing that I realized, I paid attention to what worked. Not obsessively, but enough to notice the pattern. Certain topics perform better. Like the Emperor videos performed really, really well, 2 or 3 times better than most of the other videos. I actually had a video that did 250,000 views on the channel, which is the biggest video so far. And that was just about the Emperor. 8 to 10 minutes of lore, and every single Emperor video now, because about 4,000 people subscribe to the channel because of that one video or something like that. Lots of people come back for the Emperor videos now. So I always do an Emperor video every 2 or 3 uploads because people know the channel for that because of that one breakout video. That was one of the videos that did really well, and I doubled down on it. And also the breaking news videos do really well as well, because obviously everyone's searching for new stuff that's coming out in Warhammer, like the Perturabo Primarch news that I talked about. So instead of ignoring that, I just leaned into it. Like I said, I made more of those videos. I made 3 or 4 Perturabo videos this week, and I made about every 2 or 3 uploads, I'll do an Emperor video because people want that content, and it grows the channel faster. It's really simple. It's not identical, it's just similar content. Same audience interest, same style, same direction. And I think this is something that people get wrong a lot. They have videos that work and then they'll do something completely different for the next 3 months and never revisit that video that worked well, and they'll lose momentum. What I did instead was I just went, okay, this worked. Why was that? And then I just build on it. Once you start doing all these things, you'll start to get to the compounding effect zone of the channel where each good video made the next one easier to do because the audience was clearer, the topic was proven, the structure was working, and that's how the channel started to feel consistent. So if I had to simplify everything I did, it would be this. Post consistently, pick a clear topic and stay in one niche, get to the point quickly in your videos, and then double down on the videos that work. And that's it. No hacks or tricks, just iteration of what starts to work. Just do the basics properly. This is the bit, honestly, that surprised me myself because this worked better than trying to be clever, better than overcomplicating things, better than chasing trends outside the niche. It was just simple and repeatable, something that I could do consistently and not get burnt out. Post a video every few days and then iterate on the results. So if I had to do things differently, honestly, I wouldn't do much. Maybe I'd improve my hooks slightly faster, tighten the pacing earlier, and maybe be a bit more intentional with keeping people watching, with little rehooks, little sections that are interesting. But honestly, the core strategy was there, and I'd probably keep it all the same. Maybe I'd iterate a little faster on things that worked and be a bit better with my hooks, which I'm still improving. Everyone can always improve their hooks, in my opinion. So the biggest lesson that I took from this, and this isn't just about Warhammer, this is about YouTube in general. This isn't just about one channel. It's about how YouTube actually works. Clarity of niche, consistency of posting, relevance of your topics. That's what drives your growth. It's not complexity. It's just posting consistently in a niche. So this channel wasn't built on luck. It was built on simple things done consistently. And I think that's the part people miss. You don't need some crazy strategy. You just need to pick a direction, stick to it, and then just keep improving as you go and give yourself time for it to work as well. So if you want to understand how to turn this kind of consistency into faster growth on your main channel, that's exactly what I broke down in this video here, because simple works, but simple done well, that's what actually scales.